The thing about having a fucking electrical car, bro, is just that everybody else just moves slow as fuck. Like, look. Hella space. Right? Boom, we out. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Boosted Villain, and we're back with another one. And today I'm taking you guys to work with me. So let's fucking go. First thing first, we got this Audi A6 4-cylinder. We're doing an oil change, and we also changing the alternator. So that's the first job. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. Right now, we gotta remove the belt, the serpentine belt. Then we're gonna remove these two bolts, the connector behind it, and that's it. We done. The first job is fucking done, and we just installed a new one. These the alternator for these Audis is super simple. You don't have to be a mechanic, but not everybody knows that. So let's keep it a secret between me and you. But hey, that's the first job. Let's get it done. It's kind of hard to do this shit and record at the same time. I don't have my fucking GoPro, so I gotta hold my phone. Okay, so we gotta... It's cold outside, so you definitely gotta move fast. Fuck. Man. This job ain't for the pussies, man. If you're a pussy, you can't do this shit. Get my tools. Alright, we're gonna go back up front. So now, because we don't have a connection, we don't have no current going to the freaking alternator, so nothing gonna sparks. Nothing gonna happen, so we're gonna go ahead and remove, I believe that's a 13 if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna put the phone down and we're gonna go ahead and remove that. All right, so we finished. We just gotta put the serpentine belt, and then that's it. And then we gotta do the oil change. Sometimes I forget that I'm no longer working for the dealership, so I could actually take breaks whenever the fuck I want to. You know, that's the good thing about working for yourself, not having a boss to bitch you around. You get what I'm saying? But yep, first job almost done. It didn't even take us 1 hour. And we saving him hella fucking money too. So. All right, first job is finished. We're going to the next one. We have a 2022 Hyundai. And we gotta do rear brakes and rotors. So, but before we do that, I'm gonna go get some coffee. We need some coffee. We need some drugs. I don't know why I'm talking so slow. We need to get doped up. We need some drugs. I have my marijuana. I need to spark up. But yeah, we on our way to the next job. Let's get into it. Let's fucking go. I was supposed to do this job yesterday, but they didn't have the wheel lock for it. But today we're doing it. Let's go. All right, so we're taking the wheels off. We gotta take this connect out. 14. That looked like a 16 or a 17. And then, yeah, that's it. And then we're gonna apply voltage to this so the piston can go in. Right, it's gonna spin in, and then we're gonna put a little bit of pressure to compress it, and then we're gonna put the new pads, the new disc, and then we finish. All right, guys, so we finished with the second job. Now we gotta go search for our third job, but yeah, it is 12 o'clock right now. We still have a lot more work to get done, but we just gotta get the job. So let's go. All right, guys, so it's fucking lunchtime right now. I'm about to go get my shit charged up, and then I'm gonna pick up my son. And you know, that should be it for the day, man. That should be it for the day. We could get 1 or 2 more jobs, but pretty much, hey, we're good for the day, man. We don't gotta kill ourselves. There is tomorrow, you know. If we don't make crazy money today, we can always aim for tomorrow. But right now, we're about to cut up in traffic a little bit. It's not gonna be too long because my exit is coming up. We're not trying to wild out too crazy today, but let's go. The thing about having a fucking electrical car, bro, is just that everybody else just moves slow as fuck. Like, look. Hella space. Right? Boom, we out. Now we gotta slow down. Right, we gotta slow down for the NPCs. Just move out the way. There's nobody in front of you. Look, nobody in front of them. So we out. All right, so we're taking exit 41. We have to be all the way to the right, but somehow we're gonna cut these people off. Let's go. Boom. We in here. But anyway, man, make sure you guys subscribe. See you on the next one.